Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix CS2 not launching or crashing on startup on PC. First, start with the quick fixes. Open Steam and go to your library. Find Counter-Strike 2 in the list. Right now, I do not have the game installed on my Steam, but the steps and the process are exactly the same for any game. Right-click on it and choose Properties. Go to Installed Files and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will now check all game files and replace anything that is missing or broken. This can take a few minutes, so wait until it finishes. Next, update your graphics card drivers. If you are using NVIDIA, open the NVIDIA app and check for driver updates. If you are using AMD, open Adrenalin software and do the same. Old or broken GPU drivers are a very common reason for CS2 crashing on startup. After that, make sure Windows is fully updated. Open Settings, go to Windows Update, and click Check for Updates. Install all available updates and restart your PC. System updates often fix compatibility problems with games. If CS2 still does not launch, do a clean reinstall. Right-click CS2 in Steam and uninstall it. Restart Steam after uninstalling. Then install CS2 again from your library. Once the installation is finished, launch the game and check if the problem is fixed. In most cases, CS2 should now start without crashing. Thanks for watching.